The COVID crisis resulted in the worst economic downturn since the Great Depression. According to the United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs, the unemployment rate jumped from 3.5% in February 2020 to 14.7% of last year and went down 6% just last month. And experts say now is the time to get your money in order.
During the pandemic, everybody was forced to figure out what they really needed by way of money.
Wendy Barlin is an accountant who specializes in advising people on how to better manage their money through careful planning. She says in order to rebuild, repair, and plan your financial future, take it slow.
Don't rush out this weekend and spend $1,000 on entertainment. Maybe pick one thing you've really missed and go and do that.
Some of us have been working from home and have been able to save, but some of us have also incurred a lot of debt. How do we pay that off?
Don't focus just on paying down your debt. Also focus on putting money in your savings account. I think that's what this pandemic has also taught us. I tell people if you have an extra $50 a month, half to debt, half to savings.
For those out of work, she suggests looking for a job now. Don't wait until unemployment runs out in a few months when everyone will be looking for a job. Employers are hiring now. Remember, unemployment doesn't last forever. Take the steps to rebuild your credit.
First, find out what your credit score is. Everybody is entitled to a free credit report. Then rebuild your credit by paying down your credit cards, paying off your car loans, paying off everything you possibly can in small increments.
Also, create a 30-minute weekly money day to figure out a cash flow plan and stick with it. And with tax season upon us, you might not be able to claim a work-from-home tax deduction, but there's another way to save.
If you're given the choice, I would say take a look at how much money you can actually save by working from home. There might be some significant savings in there.
I like the sound of that.
Follow these tips and you'll be well on your way to securing your financial future. Stacey Ann Gooden, Pix 11 News.